What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your SONIC-50L for karaoke. So because the SONIC-50L has a 1/4-inch microphone input and we can link any smartphone or tablet, this would make for a great karaoke setup. So first let's go over how to set up a microphone. For this we're going to need a female XLR to 1/4-inch cable and a dynamic microphone like this one here. I'm going to plug the female XLR end into my microphone, and then I'm going to take the 1/4-inch end and plug it into the 1/4-inch mic input on the back of the speaker. So now if I turn on my microphone, check 1, 2, you'll hear my voice coming through the speaker, and you'll also notice this echo effect, which is really cool to give our voice some extra flair. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you adjust the volume for your speaker, it's also going to make your microphone louder and the music that you're playing through the speaker louder. So speaking of music, let's go over how we can set up our tablet here to the speaker. For that, all we got to do is go to the Bluetooth settings of our tablet, search for the device that reads SONIC-50L, and click on it to pair. You'll then hear that sound letting us know our tablet is connected to the speaker. So now for karaoke, I can go into the YouTube app of my tablet, search for any karaoke version of a song, and start singing along with the lyrics on the screen here while the music and the microphone is playing through the speaker. Also keep in mind we have the mode button here to activate the LEDs to set the vibe for our karaoke setup. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold, only shooting stars break the mold. Woo! So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up karaoke with your SONIC-50L, but of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.